Fender, where is it? There it is right there. Yes, sirree. Look at this glowing madness. Oh, I just can't stand it. It's so beautiful. Right, Fender? Muffin, you like, hey, Muffin, look. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, don't look. I need to get out here. This is a before shot. I'm sorry, I moved the camera too fast. I know I do. It's been pointed out to me. And I noticed it on my last video. Ooh. See if we can do a selfie. Come on now. Where are they at? Puppies, where are you? There they are. Got work to do. See you later.